got something heavy here. Oh, train! We got a train, guys. We got a train. Yes. In the original old paper, too? Oh, man. What the hell are you? Nice. That thing looks minty mint. Oh, yes. Look at that bad boy. That thing looks mint. Holy crap. Alright, we're finding some money. This box is awesome. Oh, what the hell is this? Vintage cigs. I'm not gonna... But there are some pipes, which I do good with pipes, and I've already pulled about 20 of them out of this house. So I'll add those to the list. Clock.